Welcome back to the channel, y'all. I am doing an unboxing of the spoiler kit from Auto ID located in the UK. One of the boxes showed up partially open. Not as you see it here, but they actually did some pretty good boxing packaging. So the main box that covers the other box was actually just split open, but that was due because of the shipping from there to here. As you can see, the second box is completely intact. So don't let that discourage you. Being shipped from one country to another, probably, getting loaded and offloaded on different vendors or transport trucks or whatever. But, with the logistics background, it can happen. So I did take some pictures and emailed my sales rep over there. But for the most part, man, everything looks good. I don't see any punctures in the boxes from like forklifts or anything like that. So that's always a plus. So I took out one of the pieces here, which was wrapped really, really well. I think this is the tow hook cover with the rear diffuser for the back. Set this phone down quick. Yeah, so check that out, y'all. Take y'all to the sunlight. I don't know, it's a little bit of a glare, but really nice quality. And the reason why I went with Auto ID is because even though there's a time difference, I think it's like a 4 to 5 hour time difference, these guys respond right back to any email that you send. Great customer service. Another thing that I like about Auto ID's kit that stood out from the others was that I'm not a big fan of the high fin that on the side skirt that goes up on the side towards the rear quarter panel. I like a little bit of a fin, but not most of the kits to me had the exact same look. I wanted something kind of unique. This kit here was fabricated with them and the builder, and it looks awesome. So install, I'll be showing y'all some more pics. And once again, I got the wheels in, so it's gonna be a phenomenal project. All right, with that being said, oh, and by the way, I did put the front grills covers on, the mesh grills. Yeah. This radiator is really exposed, so the front, you gotta excuse a dirty car too, but down here in Georgia, there's a lot of pollen during spring. But as you can see, these things right here at the bottom was a pain to put on at first because the instructions and the videos didn't give a clear didn't get like a clear instruction on how to install them. But when I called I&D distribution, they actually explained to me that it has to be at a certain angle when inserting, like a 20-degree angle. And then you need to use like a flathead or a prior tip to push the prongs down. Once you get that, they pop right in. And speaking of I&D distribution, excellent company, man. Their products ship out within a day or two. Always responsive as well. So, all right, that's all I got for now. Y'all stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to this video. Buy some decent cameras and video equipment. All right, peace.